Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into the latest updates and news about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The 2025 G-Class has received a series of thoughtful updates, both under the hood and within the cabin. The G550 model transitions from its previous twin-turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 to a turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-six engine, delivering 443 horsepower at 27 more than its predecessor. This change not only enhances performance but also improves fuel efficiency. Inside, the G-Class now boasts a modernized infotainment system featuring two 12.3-inch screens running the latest MBUX software. This setup provides drivers with a more intuitive and connected experience. Additionally, the cabin offers new personalization options, allowing owners to tailor the interior to their preferences. Safety and comfort have also seen significant enhancements. For the first time, the G-Class offers active steering assist and active emergency stop assist, elevating its safety profile. Convenience features like climate-controlled cup holders and wireless mobile device charging add to the vehicle's luxury appeal. On the performance front, the AMG G63 model retains its powerful V8 engine but introduces a new active ride control suspension system. This hydraulic-based active roll control system enhances handling and ride comfort, ensuring the G63 remains composed on various terrains. Looking ahead, Mercedes-Benz is preparing to launch the all-electric EQG, an electric version of the iconic G-Class. Set to debut later this year, the EQG aims to combine the G-Class's legendary off-road capabilities with zero-emission performance, marking a significant step in the brand's electrification strategy. In recent news, Pope Francis is set to receive an all-electric Popemobile based on the G-Class, highlighting the vehicle's versatility and Mercedes-Benz's commitment to sustainable mobility. These developments underscore Mercedes-Benz's dedication to evolving the G-Class while preserving its iconic character. Whether you're drawn to its enhanced performance, modernized interior, or future electric variant, the 2025 G-Class offers something for every enthusiast. That's all for today's update on the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cars Wars Pack, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in automotive news.